Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. So if you found a Instagram Reel which is very interesting and you want to share it with your friends or family members on your WhatsApp. So yeah, today I will show you how you can do it. For that, open Instagram and choose the reel you want to share, and after that you will see this arrow option from your right. So you need to tap here once, and as you can see from here you need to tap this share to option, and this menu will pop up. And from this bunch of apps you need to swipe to your right, and until and unless you find WhatsApp, but now we don't have, so we need to tap more. From here we need to again find WhatsApp. So yeah, there we go, there is a WhatsApp. Tap here once. From here you need to type the name of the person, and yeah, that's the person I want to share. Just check this, and after that tap the next button. So yeah, that's how you share. This is the first method, and let me show you the second method. And close this. So the second method will be to say, tap the same icon, and from here you need to select this button called copy link. As you can see, the link is copied. Now close Instagram and go to your WhatsApp. This is the account I want to share. Tap here once and paste the link. So yeah, that's how you share in